Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing something that was actually really good. We're doing another one. Top 5 YouTuber cars. This one is not gonna be, I mean, you would think that, you know, I did the G35 the first time. This will be maybe G37. I may save that for another video. This one is gonna be for, actually I have like a hidden love about these cars. Like, you know, I think to me they're one of the best tunable or tuning cars on the market. This is my opinion, you know what I'm saying? I did get a little flack with the last video, the G35 video. A couple of the comments agreed, didn't agree, you know, it is what it is. Again, you know, when you got opinions, people think, you know, you need to be in line with theirs. This particular one, I'm gonna basically, people just walking by, I'm gonna basically give you my criteria for what I choose for these videos. My criteria for these videos are not just their cars looking cool. Okay, I want you guys to realize that it's basically, hey, you know, the content that they create, is it entertaining in the way they present it? Is it informative? Like, I like informative content, you know what I'm saying? And if you can wrap it up in a nice little informative, funny bow, you got my subscribership. That's just how I operate. You know, I don't like the channels that do the fart jokes, dick jokes, whatever. Like, I don't like that. To me, I'm grown. I don't laugh at that kind of stuff. So what you young guys may think is cool, I don't. You know what I'm saying? So, but with that being said, again, my criteria is to basically, hey, if it's cool, informative, is it telling me something? Is it making a story out of what they're doing? Like, stuff like that. Like, that's what my criteria is for my submission or my choosing of these videos or these channels of these people. So yeah, these are gonna be the top 5 YouTuber FRS. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I'm really like willing to see. It was tough. It was tough. I mean, it was so tough that I had to actually choose 3 honorable mentions, which I didn't do last time. So be prepared for that at the end of the video. Let's go.
And at number 5, we got Borges. So yeah, Chris's content, he's actually one of the first FRS I think I seen, because I was looking up how to do like fabricate your wing to your car, like with Bondo, and like have it actually like on the car. And I saw his video and I was like, oh, okay, that's how you do it. And from there on, like, you know, and that was me seeing his channel like in the mid part, like from what he had his car before to what it is now, like it's next level. You know what I'm saying? And his content is also really, really good. He does a variety of different content videos, and that's why I think he really deserved to be on this list, because I think, you know, he brings a lot to the table in that community, the FRS and BRZ community. So there you go. He definitely got number 5 for me. And number 4, we have TJ Hunt. Now, whether with TJ Hunt, you know, whether you love him or you love to hate him, he's where, and this is just what it is, let's call it what it is, he's where a lot of the YouTubers and automotive YouTubers kind of really want to be at, or at least wish they were. You know, TJ is, I think, a living proof of someone who did something, stuck with it, had a goal, had a dream for his, you know, channel and his life moving forward with YouTube, and took it, and you know, I mean, he's making a killing. You know what I mean? This guy started out with a simple BRZ doing install videos, just like how we kind of all start that way. And now this man is running out in Lambos and Ferraris, and you know what I mean? Like, he's doing what he's supposed to do, and he's doing it well. And this is why sponsors are just clamoring to be, you know, to have them on their in their family. So I mean, hey, big shout outs to TJ. He's definitely where a lot of us are trying to be in this YouTube ecosystem. So that's why he takes number 4 for me. And number 3, we have 3 cities. My list for number 3 definitely has to go to 3 cities. He has probably one of the most outrageous looking FRS BRZs that I've seen. I mean, not a lot of people can pull off the neon, and he just knew what to do. I love his wing. The chassis mount wing is next level. I think definitely he had to have been in my top list. I haven't seen another FRS BRZ like it. And I think he definitely pulled it off. I mean, his car is next level. I mean, not to mention he has some great content too. Again, all these guys have really, really great content, stuff that you can learn from and do things, maybe even get ideas. Those things is what I'm really, really attracted to when it comes to YouTube channels that are automotive. And his car, as you can see, it's just, come on, you can't deny that that's good. So number 3 is definitely 3 cities. And number 2 goes Robbie Ferreira. So yeah, Robbie's videos are, it's funny because when the first time I saw his videos, he was doing like, Wish automotive items to buy, were the Wish items good or not, that kind of video. And as the channel just progressed and got bigger and bigger, he started doing, more wilder stuff to his BRZ. It first started with the gold rims and all that stuff, to now it's basically, I mean, he's running the Kuruma wide body kit on it, which is, we kind of cut from the same cloth, where you want to, do something different. Not everybody is doing, everybody has the Pandem or all these different types of other body kits. I haven't seen a Kuruma body kit till he put it on, and you gotta love the people just doing things differently. So Robbie takes number 2 for me. And number 1, Birdie from Kings Must Rise. So yeah, Birdie definitely takes number 1 spot for me. The level of content, the quality of content, to me, he is the best all around FRS BRZ YouTube channel that you should be watching. If you're not watching, get with it and start watching, because it's refreshing to see an artist, another artist like myself, use his car as a canvas and creates his own concept and runs with it. That is just beautiful by itself. And his content is definitely second to none from what I enjoy in terms of watching YouTube content. So yeah, Birdie for me takes all around FRS BRZ top YouTuber, and yeah, that's the list. Definitely takes it for me. Congratulations, Birdie.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, it was tough. Oh my God, it was so tough. Like, all these people are really cool. They have really good content. The 3 honorable mentions I'm going to be mentioning, I didn't put them in the video because I didn't want to make this video any longer than what it probably was bound to be. Definitely Whitney Chase. That's a lady-driven I think it's FRS. I think it's FRS, because it's confusing sometimes with the BRZ FRS. I think the only difference is the headlights and front bumper. I think I'm completely ignorant to the whole thing. I just like the cars. I just like them. But Whitney Chase, Kaz Hirouji, and the guy by the name of Mercy. His channel's name Mercy. I'm gonna put everybody's description, everybody's YouTube channel in the description below. That way you guys can see and kind of, follow them. Trust me, if I like them, I think you guys will like them too. Their cars are like all dope. They're all dope cars. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, please, if you like what you see and you want to see more stuff like this, tell me in the comments that you like seeing these top 5 YouTuber type cars. I can go and do every car if you want me to. I mean, if you really want to see my opinion on what I like, let me know. If you guys like this, you think it's cool, I can do a lot more of them if you want. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. You guys are like watching my videos, but a lot of you aren't subscribing. So I need you to go down there, hit the subscribe button, Also hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I actually post YouTube videos, and you guys would know beforehand what I'm doing based on what's going to be premiered on Wednesdays and Fridays. This video is going to be uploaded a little late today. Had a couple little small hiccups, but it's going to be uploaded nonetheless today, being Wednesday. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, as always, love each other, care. You know, love each other, man. It's a crazy time we living in. Hope you guys went out there and voted. Definitely spread your word. Even though you think it doesn't count, do it. Find somebody you like and vote. Let your voice be heard. All right, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 1.